Hi guys, back on YouTube because my computer had a virus, but back on, just to let you know. We're going to be talking about the dojo, how it just got repaired, so, 1 second, take them out a little bit for my computer to load. Okay, let's go to the dojo. Dojo. Okay, we're going dojo. Oh, crap. Let's go in. See what it looks like now, huh? What's this? Look at that, huh? I haven't been on Club Penguin in so long. I'm really sorry for it, but my computer had a virus. And it's really cool in here now because they made it like a real dojo instead of having it all bland and crap. That's right. That's so sick. And I'm going to be showing some of my friends too. I'm going to open this up. Let's see who posted me. Oh, and my other friend. Can move that up. Yep. Who wants me now? I saw that. Oh, well, I guess that's over with, huh? And I guess that's kind of over with right now, huh? Let's remove that. Shitty thing. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go actually to. I want to show you my igloo now. It looks so much better than what it looked like before. And by the way, my name is Skater518. I wrote, I'm a newt. Yeah, it's really cool. And if you want to see my player card, I can show it to you right now too. Okay. Let's go in. See, this is all my stuff in here. Yeah, I have a lot of. My penguin just got banned like a few days ago, but it's alright. And now we're gonna. What should we do now? I'll show you some of my friends. This is a really old penguin right here. But I don't know if she's a member anymore. Let's see. I'll see. Come on, load. Load. This doesn't load, and we're gonna have to log off. You know what? Let's log off. Okay, see you guys. Because, regular mode. Okay. Gotta say see you guys later. Alright, bye dude. See ya.